Khubor Pibaro Shakatuk Khubor Jungi Gadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Menta Kasngi Kilong. Tuat Kashini Nabak Mara sa Bangladesh. Ulong Banyakren Markmat Bat Umintri Rang Badu Narendra Modi Nongspong. Meghalaya Gadon Hakikti Jong Kintay Ong Rakam. Bat Budin Kakong Amprin Yu Professor PG Marbanyang. Bat Mintang in Pa Shigi Khubor Bakam Banya. Kaseng 3 months ngobha a Czech Youth Welfare Organization AYWO South Garo Hills District kala ujor ha kalai potrik Naiwieng ha Deputy Commissioner kanika district ya kajingtut kashini khaitu na kanika than sa Bangladesh. Kinongelam kanika seng kilet hu ha DC mentala bun banai kitrok kitchini ki hiar med batsngi kumbalai pau hadu sau pau teliki kali na kanika district sa Bangladesh. Kini kitrok kimdon kikot kisla kibabyang bansyalan ya kini kimarbam bokong san. Kinongelam kini keseng kilekerpat UDC bante lakam bat thokit ya kini kejing khai tu lem kumta kan wanra ya kejing kerdo shini hayau hahat ha kini ke Jylla.
ये सब देखो ये गमकन नहीं वो ये सब देखो बांग्लादेश जाने वाला चीनी देखो हर रोज ये 30 गाड़ी 70 गाड़ी 40 50 हर रात जाते दिन को भी जाते रात को ये सब चीनी है देखो ये सब चीनी है कुछ कागज वगज नहीं है ये देखो
tadi GST bil mama kan noya
ya गमकन ये वो चीनी इरारा सा या गमकन गाड़ी का sebelumnya walau bol kolachi so beri tak kira salo bol khogre kolachi tak kira salo ba ya gari di yan gari ba doktor bridge ham moman bahasa kan ya gari number Ara banga ya gemekan lain ya gari ni bo ya gemekan chini rara sa ya gemek gari chini rara ya lain gari bor khola chirang bat pula Bangladesh supply ya gemekan ya ni bo ya South gari star ya gemekan ya lain gari bor khola chi mang ये देखिए सब बांग्लादेश जाने वाला चीनी साउथ गाड़ी से जा रहे हैं सब ये सब देखिए कुछ कागज नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसे बिना चालान में कुछ ट्रेडिंग लाइसेंस कुछ भी नहीं है ये सब देखो सब शुगर है ये सब चीनी सब बांग्लादेश सप्लाई करने वाला ये देखिए ये भी शुगर है ना चीनी है ना चीनी है ना ये भी तुम्हारा गरीब चीनी है ना शुगर ना सब बिना कागज में बांग्लादेश जाने वाला चीनी ना है कि नहीं सही ये गाड़ी नंबर
Kajing pinkre na kabenta ke election MP Lok Sabha kelasdang kem jingklut haba Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi ulabatha ya baro ki Menteri ke Sarkar India bantur Shaki District jong ki Jylla kari ban penpriang ye ki Khubor ye ki kam babha baka Sarkar kalale ahkini ki sansnem balala kumjuru kitana trekam jong ka Sarkar kilatur shikinong kendong jong ki district ha baro kawe kari ban penpriang ye ki Khubor jong ki jingtre jong ka Sarkar India Hanong spung lebu bandon ke jingya keren markmat hapadeng Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi bat kipat ba kani kathan Henry na ka jing bombyang ka haw ban penyaso internet kani ka jing thmu ka lapulom no ha ka live ho terik Naiwieng Hakani kesngi lepelong hamadan nong spung yaka hamara sangkap Vikasit Bharat ka program Priang Khubor ye ki kam jong ka Sarkar India hakini kisan snem balala Kajing tmu bokong san kini ka program kalong ban kring ye ki pat ba ban kershan sashisin ya Narendra Modi kum Menteri Rang Badu ha ka election MP House number 1 Hakini ka program lepen syai bat batai shikipai bat nong spung bat nong sopian deki ofisar ne kitana Sarkar beper halor ki skim ka Sarkar India ki bala ajing mentoi ki pai ba kum ka skim PMAYG PM Kisan PMUY MGNREGA bat JJM Katanat ka kwat ka khia kala pelong ye ka medical check up na kabenta ki bapang shini blood pressure bat kiwe ki jingpang
Ini program ka Sarkar India ngagi ko abente ka Sarkar India ka ko abente ya ka jing sngau jong bobun balang na kinong sukstong kibayo igni scheme of affairs na hagato bagadon ka meri kahani meri subani kata galong kum ka testimony la ne jing phla jong ki beneficiaries na ki scheme of affairs ka ek jing sngau ju phi ba ka ek jing sngau ju phi ya ba ka ek jing long ju phi haswa ban pinyo ya kini ka scheme lada kayeng baduk, lada kay PM Kisan, nila kayeng, lada JGM, lada kayeng, lada kijing program juga ICDS, program juga health. Kaya kijing so jumpi swab pinyo in the scheme, but kaya kijing long jumpi mentah belayo, kaya kijing fair swab bat mentah. Kini yang cemi ki testimony, lada kijing snow, ya kijing pla jump ba ki beneficiaries. Nang tapat, lembah ki kini ke program ru Indon Shibun ki program fair kum kijing le sobha jong kum kijing le sobha. Bangila ban khot ipi bafin perform ya ki activities ko fair kum kijing wai ki cultural program bat kum jur le se ba lada ki don nang ni ki ba ide ki ba di hok ban yo ki award ki ba ki beneficiary ki ba tibet hagom ban penrekam ban penengkam ni ki scheme fair ki Shillong ki bala ban ai ki leadership ko biang hagom penrekam ki scheme ki sports person ki rupak mat ha ki feel ba fair ni don ka award yes ba yo ki ba kim tip ya ki benefits ya ki jumentoy ki ba ka sarkar India kala ai lembah ki scheme ba fair kontrol ya ka scheme MGNRJS PNYG JJM PM Kisan ki health program joka ICDS kumta baro ki don hado kumba khan tuli ki program ki bagi Khubor kini ki awareness jongi kata ka kalong ka banengkong ka ba pat kalong ba yo don kinu ki nong Shillong ki badang i sedien dang sha i sedien ha kini ki scheme ha kini ki welfare scheme jong government of India ni don menta ka enrollment ban pendung ye ki ban pendung keteng ye ki
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih Urakam Sangma hakalai phau terik Naiwieng hakajingkren hakajingelang penkup burami kisamla kiba pas bah haki examen HSSLC but SSLC jongga St Thomas High Secondary School pendeng Umyong Mairang ulaong bakasorkar Jylla kalale bon ki kambabha hakapuli Putih Ulakhot ikipat ba bani trailang ban kentiwi ke Puli Putih kenang bikisamla ke Jylla kin poi shiki kerdan bhajarong kum ki weipat ki Jylla hari India Ulaban rap ru da kaboong. Ka Meghalaya kalong ke Jylla ka bapher bha namar nyopo shaprapho % habaro ki school kinong hikai ki digi kinthai. Kani ka pin-i bakalaway ka Jylla ka don hakikti jang kinong hikai kinthai ban sandur ya kalaway jang ki khun samla. Kalong ke AKA ka bangiday ban sngaw sarong.
About 5 crore per month for the St. Anthony College Shillong. About 5 crore per month for the salary of the St. Edmund College Shillong, about 4.8 or 9 crore per month for the St. Mary's College Shillong, and to the many Bosco College across the state and many institutions. But it doesn't enough. There are many challenges. It's an endeavor of the state government to give the best in the days to come. Therefore, I want to request each one of you, let us reignite ourselves to restructure our brilliant minds about students so that in the days to come, these children will be the pillar of our society, of our state, of our country. Therefore, my friends, Meghalaya state is a unique state, matrilineal state, and if I am not wrong, even today I see about 70 to 80% of the teachers are women, right? Not only in the St. Thomas, in the entire education department, about 70 to 80%, the lecturer, the teachers, the professor are women. We are proud of it. Therefore, I am always used to say, it is in the hands of the women for the state of Meghalaya how they make things happen. How? Because the beauty of the family mostly is always in the hands of the woman. The dress of the husband is depend on the woman. So makes you the people rich of any family, but definitely behind the scene, it's a woman who makes things happen. On light note, people used to say, husband is the head of the family. Husband is head of the family. But in practical, people used to say, women are the leg of the family, which turn around the husband. So I think it's not about head or leg, but the women's really play the important role, both in administration, in the family, in all respect. And we are proud of it. Therefore, it's my prayer to all the women of the state, including our daughters. Let us remind ourselves it is our responsibility too to make our society, our family become beautiful. And that will be the testimony of our state.
Kaseng National People's Party NPP da kajingjet jongka ban penyeng kertong MP Lok Sabha na Shillong ya ka Dr. Kong Amprin Lingdo kala plilat ya kini kalong kami ban kenmau tempang ya ukpa jongka u Professor PG Marbanyang u belalong nong mi khamat pai ba na lain kra na du balayo ya ka Jylla Bapura House nem khat kendai spa nyo puar. Hadin ulalong u MP Lok Sabha ban mi khamat ya ka Jylla. Hakasngi palay kalay pauterik Naiwieng kani kalong kami kalapan pawi kajingkan mau tempang ya ki mati jong ukpa jong ka hai ki kam syakri pat ba jong u. Ya kani kajingkan mau tempang kalay mirjing mut bat kat tu kat ningut kinong thok Khubor hadin balapan benai ke kerteng jong ka kum ke kertong NPP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Natura ke agatha ki sangma ke khun uperno e sangma shipara bat menteri rangba u Konrad ki sangma kanya khun na kaseng NPP.
Ke state government hagajing yalam khaman jong ka party NPP. Honorable Chief Minister jungi, the Honorable Deputies Chief Ministers ki jungi, the Council of Ministers ki claim no kini ki issues. Phim la ban muddur tang namar don baya khana balaklat ikiti issues baka sarkar Jylla kanung sim yikini ki issues ban Peit baki longdo long snaw hakabayadai ban ka amendment of the 6th schedule ngiru kum ka party bat ka sarkar lang baro ki party baro ki badan hakin ka sarkar kilayang benjur lang bangihap ban yu iya kata bakan cha ngihap ban penklan ya ketenat jong ke district council saudong jong ke Jylla ke jungi ngi ladep Khubor lang laya syong jing ya lang lang ka sudai ba ya minta ka parliamentary standing committee kalara ya ka kai pot jong ka sa parliament ngin budin ya kata yo pi mudur baka MP ne UMP kila ban penlong do penlong snam yiki issues jong ka state kalong ka babakla lada PJ yang kum ka candidate MP ka sarkar jongi kan ai bor yang ban ya kren ya kani ka kam tang ha parliament henry wat haki office sarkar ki bahe kamar pinda pe yiki ni agenda ki ja lenti no haki departments ki boper ka 6th schedule ipa jonga late ba Peter Marbanyang bangkwai hadwar blay idon ha parliament ha kapor ba ka don ka amendment jong ka 8th schedule but ha ka ta kapor ilayo pan ay bantalem bakaladay kapor ya ka ri India bakan itu lem ya ki kentin jong kinong snong ki barit pa aba piong bakin protect ya ka interest jong ki Breu jong ki barit pa pet bapi pet ya ka tien ka tele ai boring ito no ka pet bapin pet ya ka culture ka jongi ito no ya ka ai bor no ingi bat ngin ya sai ya kita ki batmu ban pen thom bor ya kata ban tuklar ye ki kam district councils jongi ban tuklar ye ki kam ki baya ha par ka culture ka jongi da kino kitnat trikam jong kino ki political parties kumakalong menta kadon kata kajing ya kren badai banum ai tribal status ya kita nga ong ipi ka district council kadai ka ke council ke bala pen kamti lembaga yale election ban pej ya kata kam tinggi di ban ya dah ngin ya tre rengkat naman ki MPs ki hab ban bot din
Ka-Office Block Development Mauthat Rashan hakalai Pautrik Naiwieng kala pelong ya ke program penipat ba iki kamba ke Sarkar India kala trei hakini kisnem lingba ke Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra Hamadan School Meriau Secondary School. Kajing temu juga ni ke program kelong ban ajing tip bat ban penbenapat ba iki kampen roy ba ke Sarkar India kala le nak ke benta ki pat nong kendong. Hakini kajing yalang Deputy Commissioner ke East and West Khasi Hills ubak Gideon Karmau Plang ulalong ukongsan. Kiwei ki officer ke beladan hakini ke jingyalang kilong uba E Nongbri ADC uba W Masar BDO kirang ba nongket kam ne kini kethan ki riurang ba kilong kimilong pa ki kena school bat ki samla samhoi ne kini ke Shillong hakini ke lempung la pelong ru ik medical check up claim da COAA ye ki bedon kam jing sumar ne jing stom jongki la penrung kerteng ru ik pai ba banyo jing mentoi bat jingerap hakapor ba ki pangistom ling ba ke Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme
and increase the population of earthworms so that it will enrich the soil more. And fourth principle is mulching. Anything that you apply over the soil is your mulch. So this will protect your soil from erosion and also maintain optimum temperature for soil biological processes. And the fifth principle is multi-cropping so that you will reduce the crop risk and maintain continuity of income source.
Piat ban syukatai pangki mat jong kenika national farming ko mga laong mineru ba kadai kita baru komrap ko bampendan kamre yaki sebuah karkhana nei kinu kita wai hindai kiba yale kat bala ban pendan kam de gitu ke natural farming mo te kumno kenika natural farming pede ke ye pher na kataka bangi laju smo khamchwa ko organic farming ru te bangi pe ko organic farming idon kam kumno kumba license ban penkelaya kataka jongi ban penkela organic
Hakalai Pautrik Naiwieng Menteri Ketanat Puli Putih Urakam E Sangma ulayuk kejat hakasin ke Beningkong Hamairang Presbyterian Science College ban pli ke BA Honours Course Art Stream. Haduk kini ke Por kini ke College ke Dontang ke Science Stream. Uba HM Shangpliang Advisor ke Sarkar Jylla Bak Bats Kem Rentat Yang MDC Moderator Mairang Presbytery Temen Basan u Principal kinong hikai bat kisamla puli kila don lang hakini ke sengi. Ke college kala penkup buram lingba menteri ki kat tu kat ningut ki samla puli ki bala pas pha ki examen house nem bala dep. Ha ka jing kren urakam isang ma ulong be ka jinglong jingman jong ka school ni ka college kam thau na ka jing he jong ka ying school ne ka jing bon jong ki khana puli henry ka dei na ka jing gerkhu ka bakinong peniat ki ai na ka benta ki khana puli. Ula kentui ki samla puli bekim de ban klet ka jinglong tenrai bekimi bat ban kentiu ya ka ban wan ra buram yala ka ying ka sembat ya ka Jylla.
And after my postgraduate, I searched for the job. And I even cleared my MPSC for the highest lecturer in higher secondary college. But I don't know what happened. My appointment did not get because of not availability of the vacancy. I waited for 1 year, but did not happen. After 1 or 2 years, I went to the MPSC and to the directorate. It says, your validity is over. No chance for me. But I was never disappointed. I kept going, I started serving people. I never expected to become a minister today. But I always love to serve the people and love to the people. Maybe because I want to serve with the best that I have. Maybe this is a blessing from the above. It's like a miracle to me. Therefore today, what I want to tell to my young friends today, there is no boundary to reach the destination that God set for. But we have to struggle. We have to struggle. Therefore today, after coming in new education policy, at this college, has taken the step to introduce the humanities department in the college and to make everybody a multidisciplinary students. By physically, I'm a multidisciplinary students. I do better during my college time. And the third year, I don't know. No, in the third year, we don't have English. If I'm not wrong, we have a men and environment. I don't know now it's there, still there. In our college, we never, in a whole year, I never attend, and we never had a men and environment class. Whole year. We sat for the exam at the end of the year. What happened? I don't know how I got, but I very much love to read the books here and there. I always love to read different books. But the men and environment question is very easy for me. I have scored 85. But I never attended single class in my third year BA. It's my interest. It's my interest. Therefore today, the new education policy has given you the forum that you can choose any department, any subject. And I'm thankful to this college for understanding the niche of the students. Therefore, this new education policy is coming just to bring up the standard of the knowledge. Knowledge. The house, the power of knowledge. We have many potential students, but not able to produce the best.
He knows how valuable our children are. The children who come out with flying colors in science subjects and math subjects. It is an honor, I must say, to the college, to the management, to the presbytery, and to each and everyone who has a hand in making this college of what it is today. We heard from the principal in his speech about the achievements so far and the goals they have set ahead. Now these goals can be achieved only if the government also comes in to lend a helping hand to the management, which indeed the government is ready. The government is ready to handhold any private institution that is doing well, any private institution that is weak and wants to strengthen. Therefore, under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Konrad Sangha, who has a lot of vision to bring up the education system in the state, and duly supported again by a very able minister in the hands of Sri Rakam Isama. There is a very strong team in the education department now.
Kaseng Kinohikai School Meghalaya Upper Primary School Teachers Association MUPSTA kakot kawer ya baro Kinohikai Upper Primary School jangkari khasi jantia bat garo banwan chimenta shakajingelang jangki para nohikai kabanlong hakasantrik nopra mukla umulong West Jantia Hills District. President Jong Kaseng ubak kenat shadap ulong bagate kajingya kendu lang Kinohikai kadairu shibenta ban rakhe kajing dap lai post nem ka MUPSTA hakajingya linti jongka ban chakri na kabenta ka bhakamiat jong Kinohikai. Ubak kenet ulaong ru bahagate kasngi un penbanapat ba bo un syong that no na kani kaseng. Ulap haidin da kaboong hakalai post nem kajingya linti kaseng kalala bane shibun ki kam ki bedep kajing e Kinohikai kum kajing sha pendu tulap bat kajing sha weng kam jubor klem kinu ki daw ki babiang.
NAKA conference kam tam mga kumu presiden balatray silang bahat nadu kisnan arhajari way arhajarar hadirin kami ke conference nan sya syong thai no nan sa syong thai no kita kerpa di Kinohikai mo bakan wabantar kum kata ka jingye kendo ka ba kado mo nga kumutang presiden tengah daya wer kenang kay pagkinawan kadai kajindap live house nan kabangin celebrate kajindap live house nan joka sang muksta bat ka muksta ru kadai kata ka registered association ma kaba kala register na ru isnan siajar kandai spa kandai pulai tinila dap renew ru nila renew ru mo lapan biang ya kasan ru di hakan ya kasni tuan como chief guest education minister bu honorable sir rakam batu advisor jongka education bu honorable sir HM Champion IAS di namta baru MDC jongka tu ka constituency kawai kum kasen te kaba nila bangle kum kasen ka di kham tame aba kinong hikai dia kendo ya kino kijinga kinong hikai tiba sya terminir kandau kinong hikai tiba sya ot palat ka tulok jompi dan tiba sya ot san ajar mundur ajar tepuk tu ka pakiwan cakasan teni sim kia ba itu kikam barsop iki problem ne kita jadi kimen di bagi sop nanta rumiala iru aga ju kapor bakan don kata ka jingga terailang bagi school management mention dan kata ka partiality bagi nong ikai di bawah ngidaya selok ngidaya wat jengkir ba telada mission bagi nong ikai di baterai hok kisah ada bank ternia rap society nrela mission bagi don kinong ikai di bagai ka fault jongki kimlek distasa school kimwan distasa school kilamit tangkapat te begitu pada ni habya pendai kinong ikai lupa kimlek banglong kumta nomor balai kakta ya kanawai jongki na school mo tenia le pakandon kata kajina terailang du bagi school management du bakar te kaba adu manta te mom alen raba kini ki adap apa primary school te kidai ki bala rimba kumban syong nama nadu senam prapu kendai pau kala long for the last 33 years kam simdan kata ka upgradation no syaka division system te adu mentaro kam padan tenrei kam lai kata kadeka jinga pendua ka jinga terikam tenrei kai ka bang isno tenat kadeba kapor ba ngana itu kisnan mangasim kam no kapor mangasim kam nang kong mana ko spokesperson to kapor yo tulok dan khatsan spa si benai ta ketua kapor nila yo ida ka jinta na ka sarkar bangsa penkiu no ndrei kan penkiu ta nia fight aga high court nia fight case aga high court ta ni job aga high court ta hadir mengingat job aga high court ta ka sarkar ka sa ai kat kumba la ular kat kumba la ai ka jinta na ka khatsan spa ka la ya ti kumta ai kajinga terai nakala yajar sapoi sekandri wajar naga andri wajar sapoi seka prajar naga prajar sapoi seka kandri wajar naga kandri wajar sapoi seka atwa wajar ti ita dan te iba rik sama palat imo ti ita di achievement jongka sen jongki muksta adu unta dan rai kaba semutanat kadai tangkatai ba mila ban wanra kata ka
Uba Preston Song sembut Menteri Rangba ulatung mau nongrim hakalai pauterik Naiwieng nak kebenta ke Surok Intermediate Road Lailat Borsora kabah 0.1 kilometer hakamang pisa kabah khat pra klur tingka lingba ke Special Assistance to States for Capital Investment Arjar Arpulai jong ke Sorkar Jylla. UMLA Karanikor Constituency ba Pius Marwen, uba Olan Singh Sun MLA Kamausen Ram, uba KK Mawa Chief Engineer ke PWD Roads, uba T Lingwa Deputy Commissioner ke Southwest Khasi Hills District, bat kiwe officer Sorkar kiladon hakani kesngi.
Te hakani kapor kum kadak jong kajing play yunu mau bangibu yunu mau nongrim man sedang yunu Surok nang ni na Lailat haduang ke Bosra dengan play yunu mau banyak kerben skem bangila robat pendep ne kam kapor kapiang ban syong meeting ban yajan mat ka Bangladesh. Kajing itnat so de shu syong meeting ngau bawan bang khana wan bang picnic. Te kane ka function ka bakham sultanat. Na try ka bada sultanat hadu kata-kata. Tingen ga jabing ga jingmut ga jing berkat. Ngat boy be ka point jong ka jinge pu yaw new mau nong rim. Na kwa ban ong ya pi. Babun sen nga ngam ju sultanat ban bu mau nong rim. Namar bangam jo I bakan ka bakakam kan kut. Umau yo I kan jareng. Adi chipos nem ru uju umau ka kam kan lep. Te teng kay siya kay. Tinga ong yu ba pius ko mo mali. Habang ilik buk mau nong rim. Penting na tang hapo arpo saw benay. Bangiday ban pendek. Lem kumtak kala ibi. Ini pelut por ya kiru ramba ya kahima ya ki boksong snong pentay senlang ban ya pen iu tu mau ba iternat ba pu ba ping le no ei la dingin dep hakapor kapian. Teban la ban le ya kata. Oong yu ba pius hidon kam ya kajing trailan. Kabaneng konge ngala ai construction ya ki engineers ya ki officers na ka department piludi. Bayaka kam day ban kikia. Kam tam ya ka office works chief engineer STU hamni. Nga kerpat ya pi ba pintray sitom ban pentikna ba kini kam kandep. Ban apa ong baka kam kandep ru mday ban ong maria dep. Si benay ka surok mlong ya chu. Kata ngatray kan long kakam katas nosi. Kakum ka specification. Tongin ya maintain ya ka quality. Kabaar. Bat kabakam don kam kabangakwa ban kerpat ya kinong snong kinong sensyar hima kinong sensyar snong. Bat kinong snong. Bat ya kani ngijukren na kapor sa kapor. Namar kajing kabakraw tam yang ngi ka sorkar banwan ra ya karoy kapa. Kadai hakwedei bat kajaka. Babun sin ngiyak him mensin ban ajaka. Teng-teng sya objek nadiang sya objek namon. Habban slem ger kontrekam. Teng-teng wan uwei uong kani kajaka jonga. Sesipang wan dakawei ka ong kani kajaka jonga. Hadu bangi teng-teng hapo office ni klumar ka kli. Te kabangamut ban ong hangni. Na kaliang kinong sensyar hima, kinong sensyar senong. Sengaw baha sim kia bahay ka nagakam.
Bat daki duki Khubor ngila poy siya kabakot tat hadu bangin na siyembiyang kublay sibon.